Today I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how this Fortnite map right here called Steal the Brainrot makes over $500,000 every single week. If you don't believe me, look right here. The game has amassed a total player count of 542,000 players just yesterday, and literally 24 hours ago they made $144,000. And if we go to the monthly analytics, they are making $2.2 million every single month. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the exact necessary steps you guys need to copy and emulate the same success that you're seeing on screen at the palm of your fingertips. Because we are about to load inside of Steal the Brainrot. As you can see, we are loaded inside of the game, and I'm going to walk you guys down and show you guys exactly what is making this game actually so successful. This video will be completely raw and unedited, so if I stutter, bear with me. Let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, the live event. If you guys didn't know, literally yesterday there was a live event inside of this game, and that allowed it to spike up to 555,000 players and make over $30,000 every single hour, which is over $200 million a year, guys. But let me show you guys what is actually making this game popular. So here we have a player over here who is grabbing a Brainrot, and it cost him 5 seconds, $1, to actually produce that income and produce that, right? And the whole premise of this actual world and experience is because it is based off of the most popular game, Roblox. You heard it here first, guys. This is an actual Roblox game. And if we go here, we have Tim Cheese, and he costs $500. Obviously, we cannot afford him. So let's go find a Brainrot that we can actually afford. Let's go find one, okay? And while I find one, I want to talk to you guys about my mentorship program, of course, because all you guys have to do is join the Discord, send me a message. If you want to achieve success like this, let me know down in the comments. But let me show you guys exactly how this game is actually making so much money. So the reason why it's even popular in the first place is because of the spinning wheel. So this is a daily wheel that you can spin. Let's see what I get. So the wheel is spinning. Let's see if I get lucky today. Let's see what I unlock. Okay, so we have unlocked $1 million cash. And do you guys know what I could buy with that? Like, that's like the rarest thing on the item. Look, 1 million, 1.2 million. Look how much that is. So I'm going to go buy a Brainrot right now. Here we go. There's one Brainrot. There's two. There's three. There's four. There's five. Oh, I just got froze. Okay, so you can actually freeze players so they don't have to take your Brainrot. But yeah, let's buy this one too. It's an epic. Let's buy this one too. And let me show you guys exactly what's happening. So if we actually walk into our bases here, they walk in there and they get teleported into our actual bases here. It's pretty cool, isn't it, guys? So here we have another little Tom and Jerry squirrel here. Let's buy this ninja. Let's buy this. Let's keep buying them until we're all filled up in our bases here, because I want to show you guys exactly what's actually going on. So let's go here. Let's keep buying them. There we go. Okay, cool. So we're almost filled up here. Wait, this guy just tried to take my Brainrot. See? So this is a cool mechanic of the game, guys. You can actually take people's Brainrots and put it in their entire bases here. So if I actually press RT on my keyboard, I can grab a smacker, and I can actually push people away. But the reason why this game is actually popular, guys, is because of the colorism and the constant updates to this game. The owner of the actual Steal the Brainrot, which had 50 million players yesterday, has the licensing agreements to this game, which pretty much means that every time they drop an update next week, these same things are going to be happening with your guys' own things here. I'm going to steal this guy's Brainrot. I just stole this guy's thing, and there's really nothing he can do. But this is pretty much... Oh, this guy just stole my shit, too. Let me smack his ass, and that's not going to be happening, buddy. I don't know what you're doing, but, like, that Brainrot is not yours, pal. Yo, these guys are just taking my bases, bro. Yo, why are they stealing my shit, bro? What the hell, man? Yo, why are they stealing my shit? Here's our friends. You can actually add friends, guys, and invite them. Wait, how do I... Why is my base locked, though? Rebirth? Okay, so here we can actually multiply our cash. But we don't have enough funds yet. This is very interesting. Why is my base locked? It's literally locked. And I can't escape it. It's locked for 37 seconds. That means I'm stuck here for 30 seconds? Okay, cool. I can walk through still. But yeah, essentially, guys, the reason why this game is actually popular is because Fortnite has the licensing, like Farron's, right? He has the licensing to this actual map. So I'm going to steal this guy's shit real quick. Oh, never mind. But that guy's about to steal his stuff. But let me keep buying Brainrots for you guys. So this one costs 2 million. We can't afford it. Let's try to get this guy. We can get him. We can get him. We can get him. Yeah, I'll need a little bit more room, and that's pretty much what it's saying. So if you guys actually want to build games like this, go ahead and join my Discord. There's thousands of games that you guys can literally just start getting started to get posted and make yourselves a few $1,000s a month. Come on, guy. Come here. Come here. Take it. Come on. Take my Brainrots. Let's go. Let's get you in there. Take my shit, bro. But yeah, so obviously we know that there's a massive trend going on with making games. I'm the only person in the world. I've inspired literally every single person to get started making maps. I've inspired 50% of the whole lobby to get started making maps. There's only 60,000 people. Obviously, I've inspired half of that because I'm the only one making content. We're getting hundreds and thousands of impressions per month. Obviously, that equates to the thousands of people that are joining every single month with making maps, you know? And it's a little unfortunate because I see the publicity on Twitter, right? A lot of people are like, yo, he's just selling free things. He's kind of just like not really telling anything. He's kind of just talking, but like talking is how you talk yourself into building confidence in the first place. You know what I mean? Like at the end of the day, we're all just here grinding our asses off, trying to make a business, trying to make income for ourselves. And that's why I'm trying to bless you guys with this opportunity to really get yourself started making maps, because this guy's making $2 million a month. Why can't you? Well, obviously you can inside of the Inner Circle, which is a private program. You guys can join in the Discord, obviously. Millions of dollars I've generated. If you don't believe me, you guys can literally just join the Discord and see for yourselves. We have creators with millions of followers, of experts, the biggest people in the world. Obviously, me and Jinxie, we just made a game a few days ago. And I have a lot of cool collaborations in the works with athletes and rappers that I can't wait to show you guys, because I know I haven't really been posting consistently. I mean, I have, but like quality over quantity, you know what I mean? But this is a sense... Oh, fuck, I'm frozen now. But yeah, man, I mean, like... This guy's freezing me, and it's not even Frozen 3. Like, that Disney movie drops in 2027, but I'm frozen right now. I can't do shit. But here we go. There. I'm perfectly fine, well-balanced, and I'm good to go. Okay, guys, so... Obviously, we know that I'm making everyone millions of dollars, but how can you guys do the same? You know, I'm in Steal the Brainrot right now, and a lot of you guys are still kind of confused on how this game is successful. Pretty much, he stole the concepts of Steal the Brainrot, which is a Roblox game, but obviously now he has the licensing to the game because... Obviously, we know the potential, and this is making a lot of money, right? So the developers aren't going to take this down. They're just going to shut them down or take a revenue split, which is obviously what they're doing. And here we have a rainbow Brainrot. Here we go here. I love free speech, guys. I don't want to get political, but, like, nobody deserves to die for their political beliefs, no matter what. Because the fruit roll-up is the snack that smiles back, goldfish, and... I seriously love you guys, man, seriously, because we are changing the world together, no matter, like, what we're really accomplishing. I do believe in you guys. Like, I'm happy to be alive, guys. I'm making lots of money, and I'm changing the world. I'm making content that I enjoy. I'm doing games with the biggest streamers, the content creators. Like, even though my own page is pretty dead, I'm in the business, I'm in the space, guys, and I'm really changing the world together. And I love you guys, man. I can't thank you guys enough for, I mean, I gave myself this position, but I'm happy you guys are a part of the journey, getting started with making maps as well. And the reason why I take credit, though, is because I literally inspired everyone to start making maps. Like, on YouTube, I'm the only person in the world. I've inspired at least 15,000 people to sign up and make maps. Obviously. But some people on Twitter are like, oh, no, he didn't. Like, of course I did. Like, what are you talking about? I'm the only person on YouTube talking about the topic. It doesn't matter if you believe me, if you hate me, if you like me. I've still had an amazing impact, right? And I have Versify that's dropping at the end of next year. And that's going to be sold to Epic Games for $2 billion. Because it literally makes the assets, like all of this. There's the 3D objects, there's the rendering. It can build the entirety of this entire map in a single prompt. It's kind of crazy, to be honest. But yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of just wanted to show you guys, you know, why this map is popular. And this is the chill side of me, you know? Like, I'm just blessed to be alive, and I seriously love you guys, man. So, without further ado, boys, click the last video on the screen. Obviously, guys, join Fort Mafia. There's thousands of people that make millions of dollars a month inside of the program. In the link in the description, join the Discord. I'll see you guys soon, and I love you guys, man. Have an amazing rest of your day.